This is the 142nd Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud. Taiku 142 is found in Tractate Bava Metzia, page 22b, according to the book by Rabbi Aharon Yehoshua Pessin, called Taiku, a compilation of all the Taikus, the unanswered questions. And this one is in, as I remember, the chapter of Elu Metzios. I remember learning that, the first Gemaras that I learned. And Taiku comes very early on in the chapter. I learned it in, I think, in 5th grade, 5th grade, I think. So, here it is. Bava Metzia 21a in the chapter of Elu Metzios. And here it is. Kav tamli baba amois, kav ramali baba asbahu, kav baba stamamai mishum dela chashivi, kav tamli baba amois, kav ramali baba asnami, kav dela chashivi mafkilahu. If one kav, it's a certain amount of dates, was scattered with a dispersal ratio of one kav in an area of 4 by 4 cubits, or if one kav of pomegranates was scattered with a dispersal ratio of one kav in every 4 by 4 cubits. What is the halacha? The aspect, this is talking about returning things or announcing that they're lost. That's what this chapter deals with, returning lost items. So we're talking about how much does it have to be dispersed to be considered that it's not, you're not responsible for it, I think. So the aspects of the dilemma are this. In the case of one kav of kernels scattered in an area of 4 by 4 cubits, what is the reason that the owner renounces ownership? Okay, if you find it, you can just take it. Because the owner gives up on it. It's called yush. It is due to the fact that they are not of significant value, and also the case of a kav of dates in an area of 4 by 4 cubits, or one kav of pomegranates in an area of 4 by 4 cubits. Since they are not of significant value, he renounces ownership of the fruit. Makes sense. Okay, this is the 144th unresolved question, to which, as the tradition says, we need to wait until Messiah comes and Elijah, the prophet, answers the question, according to this tradition. Or perhaps the owner renounces ownership in the case of one kav of kernel scattered in an area of 4 by 4 cubits due to the fact that gathering them requires great exertion. And in the case of one kav of dates in an area of 4 by 4 cubits, or one kav of pomegranates in an area of 4 by 4 cubits, since gathering them does not require great exertion, maybe he does not renounce his ownership. Maybe since it's easy to gather it, maybe he doesn't give up so fast. In all these cases, what's the halacha? Now, there may be more cases. Sometimes in Taiku there's many cases, and one Taiku. So I just gave a few, just a couple. I think just one. I mean, it probably goes further than this. So if you want to see all of the cases to which the answer is Taiku, please look at it. Please see Bava Metzia 21a. But in all these cases, what's the halacha? The Gemara concludes all these dilemmas shall stand unresolved until Bias Mashiach.